Detect It Easy, or DiE, is a static analysis tool built for one purpose: to reveal what a binary is hiding, whether it's packed, encrypted, or obfuscated. DiE scans executables and gives us the truth. It checks entropy, detects packers, identifies compilers, and maps out the structure before we ever touch a debugger. In this demo, we start with a non-packed binary called packer sample.exe. It is small, compressed, and suspicious. So what are we going to do? So correct. If you look at the sections, section 1 UPX1 showing a 7.93 packed, section 2 3.81 entropy level is not packed. So what we are going to do with UPX, we are going to unpack the binary. So UPX minus G packed sample. We have unpacked the binary packed sample, and now we rerun the DiE to see what is the current structure of the packed sample again. DiE now classifies the binary as not packed, a clean unpacked executable. Entropy drops from 7.9 to 6.4. DiE confirms the binary is no longer packed. We have peeled back the compression layer and exposed the raw code. This we have confirmed UPX packing is via DiE, unpacked the binary with UPX, reanalyzed with the DiE to verify entropy drop, mapped each section's role and entropy profile. This is a full static analysis loop. DiE flagged the packer. We unpacked the binary and entropy dropped across the board. Each section now tells a story, code, data, imports resources. DiE gives us the signal, and now we have decoded the structure. From entropy to insight, this is how we reverse with clarity. For further analysis and reverse engineering, we use Radar 2 to have the complete picture of the binary. Local PDF at entry 0 entry 0. We disassemble the entry point PDF at entry 0. This is where execution begins. Every instruction this allocates 40 bytes on the stack standard function flow. Loads a pointer from memory into racks. Write 0 to the memory location pointed by racks. Calls a function. This is where the real logic begins. You will need to inspect function 401190 next. So (506) and 507, no operation padding or alignment. 50H, I use restore the stack's standard function block. And C3 is the return function to the caller. The real action starts with a function that is calling FCM00401190. That's our next target. At FCM and dot 004090. From pack to unpack, from entry point to behavior, we have traced the binaries flow. DiE gave us the signal. UPX peeled back the layers, and Radar 2 lets us decode the logic. This is reverse engineering with clarity. This is RootCause.